In this we are given this typical question, which is figure 16.6. Say shows a cross section of a shape. Figure 6 point, we have A and B shows a cross section of a shape, but with hole bored through it. Calculate the center of gravity of each of the following. All right. We know to calculate this, we're supposed to have y bar and to determine x bar. However, if you can see, this shape is not, if I take the line, I cut it here in the middle, the top portion is not the same as the bottom portion. So we're supposed to calculate yx bar using the formula. Also, if you can check y bar, if I cut this like this, then in the middle, the left hand side portion and the right hand side is not the same. So we're supposed to use the formula there. When we are dealing, we have to apply our formula. The applications of formula, we know them. So anyway, x bar is from where it starts, the object where it starts here, that it's our x bar. We calculate it here from there. All right, we can, let me just we can cut this object like this, or someone can cut this object like this. It's up to you, and have 1, 2 rectangles. So I will cut it like this here. I will cut it there. I will have 2 rectangles, rectangle 1 and 2. Right. So x bar for the first object, for the first rectangle, will be, remember, x bar of I've shown you will be 90 divided by 2, will be the distance until there to the center there, which is will simply be equals to what? X bar. Here x bar will simply equals to what? It's a distance like this, going there in the middle until there in the middle like this. So our x bar will be 45. So x bar, we can say x bar 1 will be 90 divided by 2. This will be 45 millimeter. Remember, it's from there until here in the center. So what about the x bar of object 2? Remember, we're starting here. Start there, start from there and go to the middle of this object. If you go to the middle of this object, that will be your x bar 2. Your x bar 2, you will add, this is 90, isn't it? This portion, it's 90. We have 90 plus your center there. What will be this object? Okay, we have 200 here minus 90. All right, 200 minus 90, 110, isn't it? Then 110 divided by 2, there divide by 2, you have 55. 55 plus 49. 55 plus 49. 55 plus 45. Sorry, 45 will be plus 45 will be what? The 100. We'll get x that to be x1 there, x2 there of this. Okay, so will be 90 plus, will be 90 plus would be 90 plus what? X2 will be 100 and plus 45 will be 145. So we'll have x2 bar, x bar 2 would be 145. 90 plus, you add. So this is what we know. So I can erase there. I've seen that x1 x1 bar, just the x1 value, I can just say x value, not the total one, is 45. You have seen x bar 2, it's it is, what is that? It was 145. obvious. What about y? Y of the, obviously we still have that of the object 1. From here you cut it from the center. The distance from there going down to the bottom there will be 125 divided by 2 will be y bar. 125 divided by 2, which will be 125. Right, obviously it will be 125 millimeter. Then again from the bottom going to the middle of the second object there will be 80 divided by 4. Divided by 2 will have 40. 40 plus this portion plus that. What will be this portion? This distance like that is will be 80 minus 250. Right, then we add that, we'll have 210. Y2 will be 210. So since we have this now, we have our y's there. We have y1, y2, we have y1 and y2. All right, we have the 125 and 210. So we have to find the areas of our object there. We're supposed to get the areas. All right, object 1, we have to find the area will be 250 multiplied by 90. There we're supposed to get areas. Area 1. Why are you calculating this? Is because x bar total, how we will get x bar total will be equal to x1 of the object 1 multiplied by area 1 plus x2 multiplied by area 2. Divide this by total area, which is area 1 plus area 2. So we have to find area 1 and area 2. All right. Also, to get y bar total there, we'll have to say y1 multiplied by area 1 plus y2 multiplied by area 2 divided by area 1 plus area 2. So can get the areas, can say area 1. What will be the area 1? Going there on the top, it's 250 times 90. 250 times 90. This will give us, punching that will be 22500 millimeter squared, since we've used that in millimeter. What about area 2? Area 2, there we have our 90. Supposed to have this piece now, this little piece there, because we're focusing on this rectangle, on this there. So will be 200 subtract the 90 be what? That piece is 110. So will be 110 multiplied by 8. Then this area will be 8800 millimeter squared. All right, so we can plug this. We can find x bar. We can start by using this equation there. Can find our x bar there. Total x1 we have there is 45. 45 multiplied by area 1. Here is the area 1 there. Multiplied by 22500 plus x2 there. it's 145. So we have 145 multiplied by area 2 is this one. It's 8800. Then divide by the sum of the areas, 22500 plus that 800. Then punch this. As we are punching this, you'll get therefore x bar will be what? We'll have 73,115 obviously millimeter. This is what we have our x bar. So similarly, we'll go to y bar. We know that y bar will be area 1 multiplied by 1 plus area 2 multiplied by y 2 divided by area 1 plus area 2. So we have area 1. We know that area 1 it was 22500 multiplied by y1. y1 we've divided, that is 125, y2 is 40. So all right, y2 is 210, y1 is 125. Okay, multiply by 125 plus area 2 is the one that we've calculated. We know that it was 8800 multiplied by y2, which is 210. Obviously divide this by total area. We add these areas, 22500 plus 8800. Therefore our y bar, by punching that, will obtain 148.9 millimeter. So this is what we have. Okay, if you want, you can use meters, it's up to you. So this is what we have for object 1. All right, so this is still we still have the same shape, right? Just that now the second one has the hole. We still have the same shape. The second one, it has the hole. Now we have to subtract this hole. The moment you have a hole, we have a hole like this, a circle like that, there, you have to subtract this circle. We have to remove, subtract, must be minus. Okay, we will see how we subtract that. So everything is there, just that now we'll have to subtract. We have to subtract now the hole. All right, so the area there, we'll have to have area. We have to do, we subtract must be negative. If you have a hole there, it's a hole. Always put a negative. Whatever that you learn, everything of yours will be negative, will be pi over 4, obviously d squared, multiply by what here, what is our diameter there, 64, multiply by 64, obviously, okay, so not there, squared there. So our area, what will be the area? Area there must be negative something then. That is a huge number, 3216,99. all right, so area there will simply equals to minus, let me write it here, over 4 multiplied by 64 squared, which is our diameter. The area will be minus 3216.99 millimeter squared. We remove that, so everything is the same. You just subtract your areas. Now everything will be the same, guys. We will use this, just that. Now we'll do the adjustment. Which adjustment that will take place now? You will see the adjustment. You just subtract the adjustment there. We will subtract those, will be adjustment. So let's get our x bar. X bar there will still be what? We still gonna have 45. The x bar is still gonna be what? We're still gonna obtain this. Still gonna be what? 45. X bar 1 of this object still gonna be 45. Y bar is gonna be 85. Obviously we're given there, will simply just be equal to 85 y bar. So anyways, let us try and do our things there. So again, let me just all right. So we know that x bar total, or I can say x bar, will be equals to area 1 multiplied by x1 plus area 2 multiplied by x2. Now we have, must be minus, now will be x3. That okay, minus, okay, now we'll have a what? A minus. Okay, let me just put that plus, there's no problem. Let me just say plus area 3 multiplied by x3 divide, we add area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. All right. However, now we have that area 1 still remain. Our area 1, we have that it was 22500 multiplied by x bar, which was 45 of area 1 plus this one does not change. Area 2, we still use what we know, area that the previous one we together multiply by 145 plus, now when we come to this area will be negative area, as we can see there, negative 3216.99. all right, multiply by our x bar, whereby it's 45. We have seen that. Divide this by area 1, here we have the 500 plus area 2 8800, there we have it. Area again, now we say must be plus, isn't it? But now we have a minus 3216.99. so therefore our x bar, punching that, we should obtain x bar including that negative to be 76,336 millimeter. all right, same story about now. Let us get y bar again. So we should obtain again y bar will have area 1 multiplied by 1 plus area 2 multiplied by y2 plus area 3 multiplied by y3 divide this by area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. So y bar area 1 we know does not change. We still have 22500 multiplied by y bar 1, which was 125, plus the area 2. We did this one, guys, still the repetition, multiplied by 210. We've seen that. But now this one, the area 1, area 3 is negative, plus negative 321 6,99 multiplied by 85 as we're given there. Divide this by area 1. We add the 22500 plus 8800 minus 3216,99, or if you can say plus and put the brackets like this, but still will be negative. So y bar there, we're supposed to get 156,22. Wow, this is what it's in millimeter, so this is what we'll have there. All right, that is what we'll have in this typical question. We are done. All right.